So it's Thanksgiving weekend in the country of Canada. Today I'm going to make a turkey feast. I bought this turkey about a week ago before everyone ran out of stock because turkeys are scarce this year in 2020. It's been sitting in the freezer. I had it in the fridge overnight, but it was still a frozen block of ice. So I've given it a warm water bath to help thaw it out. Definitely a little softer now. Got a young turkey there. Hopefully it tastes good with giblets. So let's get it out of the bag and throw it into the roaster. So the roaster I like to use is this big old classic guy here. It's got lots of volume. I still find I should keep my turkeys, about, 14 pounds or less. Put a bit of olive oil in the bottom just to prevent it from sticking there. Let's get this water out of here. Then I want to take off the bag, but when you do it, make sure you don't destroy all this on the back, the cooking instructions. I like to save that just in case. I've cooked a few of these now, but I still learn something new every time. So there's our turkey. I like to give it a quick rinse. Just to get any grime or residue from the factory or farm off of it. Since this one has giblets, let's undo the legs here. Got a neck there. Looks like a liver. That is the north end of a duck flying south, as my old man used to say. Alright, so now that we got the giblets out, give the inside a little rinse again. Once you got it all nicely cleaned up, set it in the roaster, kind of like that. Now some people like to keep these giblets. I'm kind of surprised there's no heart. So for the little kitty cat, he might like some liver. I myself can't stand the stuff. Hey, you want some of this, bud? Do you want some of this? Yeah? Oh, he sounds like he wants some. So here we go, some cut up little liver giblets. Let's see if he likes it. There he is. Hey buddy, do you want some of this? It's turkey liver. Gonna eat that? Does that look good? I don't think he wants it. There you go. I find the giblets a complete waste of time. With our turkey like that, salt it. Pink Himalayan rock salt. It really satisfies my craving for savory, salty flavor much better than your standard white table salt. Then I like to put some pepper on it. Ground black peppercorns. Those guys, they're really yummy. And next I take some filtered water and we'll start with this amount. I like to have a couple of inches down there. Something to give steam action a chance to work while you're roasting it. And as I'm roasting it, I also use a turkey baster every half hour or so to suck in some of the water that gets mixed with the fats that come off the turkey and just spread it all over. That keeps your turkey from drying out and it gives it a nice even golden roast. We'll add more later, but it can get started like that. Let's take a look at that packaging. That hopefully I didn't cut through the directions, and I exactly cut through the directions. Preheat oven to 325 Fahrenheit. So this turkey was 4.4 kilograms. Good thing I cut right through those instructions. Just like I told you not to. If it's stuffed, you have to cook it for longer. So definitely this is going to be a 4-hour adventure. Make sure there's nothing in your oven. One year, my mother stored all of the chocolate chips in the oven because us teenagers would eat them. And that was a disaster because we preheated the oven without looking. Baked all of our Christmas goodies in with the plastic bags they were stored in. So make sure your oven's empty. We've got my oven preheating to 325. What I'm going to do next, before we throw the turkey in there, is make some homemade stuffing. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more content, please hit subscribe. See you next time.